In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge layers in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. If you're working on complex designs with multiple layers, merging them can help you stay organized, reduce clutter, and prepare your file for export or handoff. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can follow along easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tricks. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project. Once your file is open, go to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, select Layers. This will open the Layers panel if it's not already visible. The Layers panel is where you can see all the layers in your document, including sublayers and grouped objects. If you work with detailed illustrations, this panel is extremely important for staying organized. Now that the Layers panel is open, take a look at the list of layers. To merge layers in Illustrator, you first need to select the specific layers you want to combine. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac, and click on each layer you want to merge. Make sure you're clicking directly on the layer names in the Layers panel. You'll see them highlighted as you select multiple layers. Be careful to only select the layers you actually want merged, because once combined, all the artwork from those layers will be placed into a single layer. After selecting the layers, move your attention to the top right corner of the Layers panel. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the Layers panel menu. Click on those 3 lines to open the drop-down menu. Inside this menu, look for the option that says Merge Selected. Go ahead and click on Merge Selected. As soon as you do that, Illustrator will combine all the highlighted layers into one single layer. The topmost selected layer will usually become the main merged layer, and all objects from the other selected layers will move into it. You'll notice that the separate layers disappear and are now consolidated under one layer in the Layers panel. If you expand that layer, you'll still see the individual objects and groups inside it, but they're now organized within a single parent layer. This is especially useful when you're finalizing artwork, preparing files for clients, sending projects to print, or simply cleaning up a messy document with too many layers. Here's a quick bonus tip. If you want to merge all layers in your document at once, instead of manually selecting them, you can open the Layers panel menu and choose Flatten Artwork. Just keep in mind that flattening is more destructive in terms of layer organization, so only use it if you're sure you no longer need separate layers. Also remember, merging layers does not automatically merge shapes into a single vector path. It only combines the layers structurally. If you need to merge shapes, you would use the Pathfinder panel instead. And that's it. That's how you merge layers in Adobe Illustrator step by step. It's quick, simple, and incredibly useful for keeping your projects clean and organized. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Let me know in the comments what other Adobe Illustrator features you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.